Students, so in today's class we are going to discuss the very important naming reaction from aldehyde ketone topic. So that is the Cannizzaro reaction. Okay students, so in previous class already we are discussing the aldol condensation reaction. So in this aldol condensation, so whatever aldehydes or ketones we are going to be used, so all contain the alpha hydrogen atoms. So if alpha hydrogen atom is present, then only such aldehydes undergoes aldol condensation. But this Cannizzaro reaction is exactly opposite to the aldol condensation reaction. See students, whatever aldehydes or ketones we are using in this Cannizzaro reactions, so there is an absence of alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, so already we are discussing how we can check the alpha hydrogen atom. Let you once again you see. So in Cannizzaro reactions we can take the two formaldehyde molecules. Okay, so we are given the example of formaldehyde H C double bond O H. Okay students, so this is what formaldehyde, formaldehydes, or we can see it is what methanol. Okay, so this is aldehyde group. So we will take one more molecule of same formaldehyde H C double bond O H. So this is also formaldehydes. Now clear students? So now you can check whether there is a present or absence of alpha hydrogen atom. See this carbonyl group. So always alpha hydrogen atom we can check from the carbonyl group. So very simple. So this is carbonyl group and you can check whether the next carbon is present or not. If the next carbon is present next to this carbonyl, so if they contain the hydrogen, that is alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, so already we discussing in case of the acetaldehyde. Okay, so in acetaldehyde there is a presence of alpha hydrogen atom, but in case there's formaldehyde, so now there is no next carbon, means alpha hydrogen atom obviously absent. Now clear students? So now formaldehyde undergoes this Cannizzaro reaction because they absent the alpha hydrogen atom. So here we can take the two formaldehyde molecules. Now this formaldehyde can treated with concentrated KOH. So we can using the potassium hydroxide. So this is concentrated KOH. Okay students, very simple. So we are using the KOH, or we can take NaOH also. So what happened now? See the reaction mechanism. Okay. So अभी mechanism देखो यहाँ का. So जब हम formaldehydes के दो molecules लेते हैं और concentrated KOH के साथ react करते हैं. So what happened here? So the second molecule of formaldehyde, one hydrogen will attach to this carbonyl carbon. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है, फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के सेकेंड मॉलिक्यूल जो है उसमें का एक हाइड्रोजन फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल के फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के कार्बोनिल कार्बन पे अटैक करेगा. सो वेरी सिंपल. सो द हाइड्रोजन विल गोइंग टू बी अटैक ऑन अ कार्बोनिल कार्बन. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस स्टूडेंट्स? सो हियर द डबल बॉन्ड विल शिफ्ट ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज कार्बन हैव द वैलेंसी 4. अब ये क्या होगा, ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे जाके अटैच होगा तो ये डबल बॉन्ड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. वेरी सिंपल. तो विल सी नाउ. And from this KOH and one hydrogen going to be attached to this oxygen. Simply it convert into OH. So let you see the product. See now. So this hydrogen as it is. Okay. Then now this carbon and this hydrogen as it is previous. So now one hydrogen from this second molecule of formaldehyde will attach here. Okay students, समझ में आ रहा है? So यह hydrogen यहाँ पे attach होगा. Now when this hydrogen will attach, ये double bond shift हो जाएगा simply. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, अभी सिंगल बॉन्ड आ जाएगा, सिंगल बॉन्ड O. ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होगा, KOH में का जो भी हाइड्रोजन है वो ऑक्सीजन को अटैच होगा. वेरी सिंपल. ऑक्सीजन हैविंग द माइनस, दिस हाइड्रोजन कैरी प्लस. समझ में आ रहा है? सो वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड? सो दिस कार्बन एंड 3 हाइड्रोजन, इट इज मिथेनॉल. ओके, CH3OH, इट इज व्हाट? मिथेनॉल, और वी कैन से इज व्हाट? मिथाइल अल्कोहल. नाउ क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो लेट यू सी व्हाट इज द बाय प्रोडक्ट. अभी देखो यहाँ का एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे अटैच हो गया. सो व्हाट रिमेन हियर? सो द बॉन्ड इज ऑलरेडी ब्रेकिंग हियर, HC डबल बॉन्ड O, और यहाँ का एक हाइड्रोजन गया, सो ऑक्सीजन और पोटेशियम. सो सिंपली, सो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा हमें? HC डबल बॉन्ड O. नाउ दिस मच क्लियर. HC डबल बॉन्ड O, ये देखो HC डबल बॉन्ड O. अब ये ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन और पोटेशियम इसको अटैच हो जाएगा. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट इज द नेम? HC डबल बॉन्ड O. Okay, so this is potassium formate. So compound का नाम क्या आएगा इसका? Potassium formate. ये ester group है. Okay, so potassium formate. Now clear students? So how the reaction will proceed? So in this Cannizzaro reaction, so what is the statement we have to write? So in Cannizzaro reactions, so we are whatever aldehydes or ketones we are using which lacks the alpha hydrogen atom. So how we can write? So in Cannizzaro reactions, we can taken two molecules of formaldehyde which lacks the alpha hydrogen atoms. So they can treated with concentrated KOH. Okay, and they will form the methanol, and byproduct is what? Potassium formate. So all of you clear this reaction? Let you see one more example. Okay, अभी और एक example के साथ हम ये reaction discuss करेंगे. Then you clear your concept. And mostly students, so this reaction mostly they are asking in NEET and JEE exam. So in NEET में एक question कैसे आता है देखो. So mostly they are given this reaction. यहाँ तक reaction देते हैं और ये आगे का जो product है methanol और potassium formate they are not given. Instead of that they are given they are writing a bracket and they are writing A. So identify the product A in this reaction. तो ऑप्शन में तुम्हें प्रोडक्ट देंगे, सो यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाइड. ओके, सच वे दे आर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन. एंड सम टाइम इन केस ऑफ द CET, so they are given this whole reaction and they are asking what is the name of this reaction. Simply reaction का नाम पूछेंगे. Okay, so we can easily say it is a Cannizzaro reaction. Now clear students? Sometime in complication how they are doing this reaction in NEET exam. So they are given two formaldehyde, two HC double bond OH, and on bracket they can write concentrated KOH. Okay, so that time you are getting confused. So this is what? Cannizzaro reaction, and they are asking what is the product. Now clear students? All of you clear this one? So how we can easily identify with the help of KOH. Okay, and if concentrated is there, so you can easily identify this one. Now clear everybody? So we'll let you see one more example, then you can again understand easily. So instead of this formaldehyde, we have taken the benzaldehyde here. Okay, so we'll take benzene ring. Okay, I will write here benzene ring. Then see, instead of this we are writing below. So then we can easily, I will show the mechanism. Okay students, so this benzene ring I will draw below. Okay, benzaldehyde structure already you know, C double bond OH. So this is what? Benzaldehyde. Let you see whether they are presence of alpha hydrogen atom or not. See, so this is carbonyl carbon group. Okay students, so हमें क्या करना है? कार्बोनिल कार्बन को देखना है. और नेक्स्ट कार्बन कौन सा अभी इसको अटैच हुआ है? दिस कार्बन. सो दिस कार्बन देयर इज अ हाइड्रोजन? नो. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, so that means it is the absence of alpha hydrogen atom. So we can take the two molecules. So one more benzaldehyde we can take like this same molecule. Okay, benzene ring. Okay students, then C double bond OH. So this is also benzaldehyde. So अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या लेना है? So simply same concentrated KOH or we can use NaOH. So यहाँ पे हम लेंगे potassium hydroxide KOH. It is in concentrated form. Okay students, so reaction mechanism same रहेगा. Okay, so what happened here? So from the second molecule of benzaldehyde, so one hydrogen will going to be attack on this carbonyl carbon. समझ में आ रहा है? So very simple, benzaldehyde का जो second molecule है उसमें का एक हाइड्रोजन इस कार्बोनिल कार्बन पे अटैक करेगा, एंड सेम टाइम दिस डबल बॉन्ड गोइंग टू बी शिफ्ट. ओके, यहाँ पे जो डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा और KOH का जो एक हाइड्रोजन है सो वो भी ऑक्सीजन को यहाँ पे जुड़ जाएगा. सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी अटैच टू द ऑक्सीजन. सो अभी हमें प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा? देखो सिंपली ये बेंजीन रिंग मैंने एज इट इज लिख दिया. ओके, सो दिस बेंजीन रिंग एज इट इज. नाउ दिस कार्बन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ऑलरेडी एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे है, सो एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे अटैच हो जाएगा. तो अभी कितने का हाइड्रोजन हो जाएंगे? यहाँ पे CH2, दो हाइड्रोजन हो गए सिंपली. एंड एक ऑक्सीजन है, ये डबल बॉन्ड तो ऊपर चला गया सिंगल बॉन्ड, और एक हाइड्रोजन KOH का यहाँ पे अटैच हो जाएगा. सो सिंपली CH2OH. नाउ क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो वेरी सिंपल. So from the second molecule of benzaldehyde, one hydrogen it is attached to this carbonyl carbon. So simultaneously this double bond will shift. So already carbon and hydrogen is present. So one more hydrogen will attach, it convert into CH2. And now from this KOH, one hydrogen attached to this oxygen, simply it convert into OH. Okay, so this is benzyl alcohol. So what is the name? So this is benzyl alcohol. Okay students, so what is the byproduct now? So already hydrogen bond is breaking here, hydrogen will attach here. So what remain? Benzene ring C double bond O, and here this oxygen and this potassium. So that oxygen and potassium will join to this carbon. Simply, so यहाँ पे हमें बाय प्रोडक्ट मिलने वाला है sodium benzoate. Yes, it is a sodium benzoate. See students, C double bond O. Okay, this यहाँ का तो हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे चला गया है. अब यहाँ पे क्या बाकी है? सिंपली ऑक्सीजन और पोटेशियम. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is what? Sodium benzoate. क्या है इसका नाम? Sodium benzoate. So now all of you clear? So in this reaction we are using the 2-benzaldehyde, and that benzaldehyde is treated with concentrated KOH. So here we'll get benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate as a byproduct. So I hope everybody understand this reaction, and this is very important reaction for competitive as well as theory exam. Now clear students? So इसके ऊपर भी एग्जाम में कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे? So they are given the benzaldehyde plus concentrated KOH. So benzaldehyde का एक ही मॉलिक्यूल देंगे वो. So यहाँ पे 2 लिखेंगे. Okay, and they are on arrow they are writing concentrated KOH, और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे identify the product A. तुम्हें product identify करना है. Get it? So very simply. Or sometime in CET what they are asking. So in this say they are given like this: benzaldehyde treated with concentrated KOH. Okay, so what is the name of the product? Okay, product का नाम पूछेंगे. So you can say is benzyl alcohol. And sometime they are asking like this: in this Cannizzaro reaction, whatever byproduct will get when a benzaldehyde treated with concentrated KOH. So what is the byproduct name? So simply we can say is what? Sodium benzoate. Now clear students? So in this way you can prepare your competitive exam also. So whenever we can study the any reaction mechanism, you can see how they are asking the question on the basis of same method. Now clear students? So I hope everybody understand this reaction. If you like the video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and please press the bell button. You get a daily updates regarding such amazing video. Okay students, so thank you so much for watching this video. Before that you can take a screenshot and write down the notes. So in next video we are going to discuss the very important naming reaction. Okay students, so you get ready for next day. So before that you take a screenshot. Okay, take it.